Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another video of TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the internet connection on your TikTok application. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. In case you're unable to play a video on TikTok, so then the first reason might be that you have an unstable internet connection. In order to have a stable internet connection, just scroll down. So right over here, what you have to do is you'll have to turn on your flight mode for 20 seconds. And once it is 20 seconds, do the same thing, turn off the flight mode, and after that you might be able to fix it. So the other thing what you can do is just simply long press on your TikTok application and then tap on app info. And after you tap on app info, next tap on storage, and right over here tap on clear cache. And after you tap on clear cache, you might also want to tap on clear data. After that, you might be able to fix your internet connection issue on the TikTok application. In case you're still unable, then the other alternative, what you can do is you can simply reinstall TikTok application or restart your device. So basically, these kind of issue occur whenever there is no internet connection or there is no stable internet connection. What you can do is you can try all of these methods and you might be able to fix it, or you can simply wait for some time. So those are the few methods on how you can fix TikTok no internet connection issue on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.